Hey everyone, so today we're making a really simple, quick, easy to do recipe, and this is great for especially after a workout. This is a berry smoothie, one of my favorites. So all you'll need is 1 scoop of protein powder, 2 cups of frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, and 1 cup of water. And then just blend away, and this is your smoothie. Again, this is one of my favorites. I've been really enjoying this lately. Let me know if you try this, and also let me know if you'd like to see more quick food videos like this one. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturdays, and you definitely don't want to miss them. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye!